In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Docs landscape mode. If your document looks too narrow for a wide table, chart, image, or layout, switching to landscape mode is a simple fix. In Google Docs, landscape changes the page so it becomes wider from left to right instead of taller from top to bottom. To make the entire document landscape on a computer, open your Google Doc, click File, then choose Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, make sure the document is using Pages format. Then look for Orientation, select Landscape, and click OK. If your document is currently in Pageless format, you may not see the normal page orientation option the way you expect. In that case, go to File, then Page Setup, switch the document to Pages, and then choose Landscape. Google Docs also supports mixing page orientations in one file, which is useful if only one section needs to be wider. You can insert a section break, then apply landscape only to that section. If you're using the Google Docs app on Android, the steps are a little different. Open the document, tap Edit, then tap the More menu, choose Page Setup, and select Orientation. From there, you can switch the page to landscape directly in the app. So to make Google Docs landscape mode, open your document, go to File, choose Page Setup, switch to Pages if needed, and select Landscape. And if only part of the document needs to be wider, use section breaks and apply the change only to that section. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.